Hello and welcome, and we're on our way to figuring out how to get this xAI automation set up into our branch of automations, right? Yeah, so let's go to a new scenario. I don't know if you know this, but xAI or x.com or Twitter, previously known as Twitter, has just released, well, they've been released, I don't know what the date is. When did they release that date? xAI API release date. They just released it in October 21st, and I am behind by a month. It's November 23rd. But anyway, they just released this module, and I want to go over it for you in this video so you can implement it in your workflow. It's pretty simple. They have it up for make.com, and they've implemented a whole module for that. So I'm going to go over that in this video. But it's basically the same. You have the options of create a chat completion or create a prompt completion. Right, we're gonna do create a chat completion. Right, and then we're gonna do whichever one. You have the basic, however you would do for setting up AI. Right, you have the system user and assistant roles you have, and then you can enter any text that you want to put in there. Right, and I'm gonna tell me a story about how clouds float, right? As something, just something to put in there as example. You can add more messages to this, right? Max tokens is 2048. You have stop sequences. You have top P, temperature, number, seed, all that stuff. You even have when you click that X API reference, you can even go in to see what other things you can add for this API to get it set up and have that versatility in your French automations, French AI automations, you know what I mean? But create embeddings, they have a whole basically workflow with this as well, which is really cool. Which gives developers a bunch of tools and access to do different things. But so yeah, let's see what this brings. I'm gonna click run, right, and it's gonna take a second to run. But basically, and the last prompt I put in there was pretty long too. I basically did the same thing over again, but I forgot to press record. But let's check out the results. Oh my god, once upon a time in a blast blue sky. Oh my god, that's a huge result there. Let's check out how many words that is. Let's see, what the average word would be. It's roughly around the same number of words that I did the last time for this automation. But yeah, so basically, if you want to set this up for yourself, I would recommend going to signing in and go to console, all that stuff. Create an API key. You would then go create an API key. It's actually really, really simple. It's actually 2 clicks after you click this to really set up the API key. Then you have it, right? And then you can just add a payment method, and then there you go. I think they give you a couple of bucks for free. Yeah, they gave me $25 for free. Right, I haven't even spent any money on it, but I did my account, as you should whenever you're developing any type of AI automation. But yeah, released in October 21st, 2024. November 4th, 2024. When is the actual public release, right? So yeah, you can now implement this into your AI automations. I'm showing you the one with the make.com, but I'm pretty sure there's others out there that have xAI modules as well. But if you ever get stuck, make sure to reference the xAPI reference, so you could figure out and debug any of the problems that you might face when interacting with this API. But however, it was really simple, to set up. So yeah, and that concludes this video. Now it's up to you guys to make your automations. I support you guys. Congratulations.